If you want to use two apps at once on your Android phone, split screen modes make multitasking super easy, and here's how you can enable it. So first of all, make sure both apps you want to use are in split screen and are open like that. Okay, then you will need to be able to switch between them quickly, so open them from your recent app list. To get to recent app list, swipe up the bottom of your screen or hold on for a second. This will bring up your all recently used apps, or you can see that option, you can click it menu and it will open all your recently using apps. So you have to find the app first you want to use in split screen and tap on the floating windows like that. And for example, I want to use Telegram with recorder, so I am going to click on recorder application, and like that recording application will come on the top of Telegram. I can use Telegram and recording app both at the same time, or if I want to use Telegram, I can simply drag it to the top and it will disappear, and meanwhile I can use Telegram. Or I can again access recorder by going again to floating windows and selecting my app, recording app. So that's how you can use split screen. You can adjust the size of apps by dragging it from the bottom to top, and you can also fix them at top or even bottom, so you don't have to switch manually one by one again and again. So you have to note that all apps doesn't support split screen mode. If the option is grayed out or not showing up for an app, it likely that it doesn't support this feature. And that's it. You are now ready to multitask and use two apps at once on your Android phone.